Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity meets inspiration. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of drawing a beautiful rose step by step. Start by sketching a small circle for the center of the rose. This will serve as a guide for the petals. Draw a spiral around the circle. This spiral will determine the shape and direction of the petals. Begin drawing the outer petals around the spiral. Start from the center and work your way outward, following the spiral guidelines. Add more layers of petals, gradually increasing the size as you move toward the outer edge of the rose. Remember to vary the shapes and angles for a more natural look. Define the shape of the rose by adding details such as creases and folds to the petals. This will add depth and dimensions to your drawing. Erase any unnecessary guideline and refine the outline of the rose to make it more polished and lifelike. Lastly, adding shading to the petals to create contrast and realism. Use light strokes to build up the shadows gradually. And there you have it, a stunning rose drawing that's sure to impress. Do not forget to experiment with different colors and techniques to make it your own. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorial and inspiration. Until next time, keep creating. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.